In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to remove a user from your Windows 11, whether it's a guest account or an administrative account. First, open the Start menu, Storage for Control panel, and click on it. In the top right corner, change the View by option to large icons, then select User Accounts. Next, click Manage Another Account, and you will see all the user accounts on your computer. Before you delete an account, make sure you already have another administrator set up. If you only have one admin, click Add New User in PC Settings. Then click Add Account. Choose I don't have this person sign-in information, then select Add a user without a Microsoft account and create a username and password. After the new account is created, change its account type to administrator by selecting it, clicking Change Account Type, setting it to administrator and pressing OK. Once the second admin account is ready, return to the control panel, choose the account you want to remove, click delete the account and decide whether to keep or delete the user's file. Confirm by pressing delete account, and that's how you remove a user from a Windows 11. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.